guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be playing this game called, what game was it? Extreme Car Driving Simulator. And I did start, first of all, ooh, claim, thank you very much. And I got a couple of cards. This red Lamborghini, I think. Is it a Lamborghini? I'm not sure. I think it is a Lamborghini. This is a buggy. This is a Mustang. This is a Jeep. And I'm trying to get this one today. Yeah. And I really want this Tesla one also. And Tesla, another Tesla. Wait, is it a Tesla? No, it's not. Alright. Anyways, we'll be driving. Yeah. Let's go. Drive now. Traffic mode, yeah, why not? Okay. Wow, this is cool. Oh yeah, I already have this. Anyways. Let's go. So this is basically... Where's all the cars? Oh, there is one. So it's basically a place where you can literally like do stuff, like trick shots. Not a great one. Ouch. And as you can see, I've been flipping around, and that is not that good. But using this button over here, you can fly. I broke the matter of physics. Yeah, I know, I broke the matter of physics. I know it's weird, okay? I don't know. Look, I can literally fly. I broke matter of physics. Ah! Oh well. This baby has a lot of strength. It comes out, my Lamborghini. How dare ya? We're going to the airport right now. I have no idea. Wait, is it this one? Oh yeah, I know the place. So it's like go over here. Drift out. That hurts. That hurts my car, not me. Anyways, just yeet those two cars. And there it is. You see that sign over there? That is where the... Anyways. So as you can see, I just unlocked the I just need the BP, which is the blueprints. I have no idea why do you need blueprints when you can literally buy them in a Tesla shop. Anyways, I'm going to the hello, what just happened? Oh yeah, checkpoint. Yeah, get out. And I'm here. And yeah, this is where you do basically all the like the driving stuff. Oh yeah, and also I made something very cool. So you see that tower, right? That's basically the communication tower. And I can literally go up that. I think. I think it's too fast. Wait. No, it's too fast. Ah! Anyways. Haha, soft landing. Not that soft, but whatever. Oh, beautiful. Not really, but I don't care. So, I found a lot of blueprints. Oh no, commercial break. No! No! I don't have more time! I don't care! It's like the easiest thing. Anyways. Oh yeah, I started a DJing thing, so make sure to check that out. Well, not really. I'm gonna do it later. Okay, I'm not sure yet. I mean, who would want to know? There's one. Did you just see that cool flip that I just... Ah, help me! Ow. I'm cool on wall riding. Yeah, let's just calmly get up. Totally not horrifying. Yeah, there you go. What is this car? Well, good to have it, I guess. I need to be in the high ground, so I'm gonna just... Oh, I can't spam it. I spammed it, my finger hurts. And yeah. Look at that, a plane! Hey, plane, wait for me! Oh my god. Yeah, soft landing. I wonder where the plane is. Yeah, I wonder where the plane is. Oh my god! Not really that much effective than I thought, but anyways, let's go blueprint finding. I don't know where it is. Oh yeah, I can also do a flip. Wee, my car's probably busted, so I'm gonna... Oh my god, this guy's fast. So I went into a hangar. There it is, and it was really insane. No, I need to fly. I'm spamming it. Oh, my finger hurts. Oh, we're flying. Oh yeah, and also you can go in here. Ooh, not this. Yeah, here am I. It is I, MDK. Ow. Hey, you headbutted me. Psych. Who cares about Windows 8? Hey, whoa. Ah! Anyways, that was a rough landing there, buddy. I don't care. Imagine there's one in these boxes. Oh wait, what? Are these floating? Oh my god, that's floating. Oh crap, system error. Okay, it's one of those. I have no idea what this guy's talking about, and bye-bye. This thing's literally floating. What in the world? Hello? That guy literally... Oh wait, what just happened? Anyway, let's do this parkour course. What? I'm really good at controlling the car. Totally not going to fail you, Mr. I don't know. Can you open these crates? There's no way. Oh, beautiful. Psych. Yeah, boy. I came here for nothing. Ah, and I fall. Is there anything over here? Oh yeah, my light turned on. Well, thank you for that, Mr. Oh, no. So I can't get out. I need to go out the door. Hi everyone. I can't find any. Or is it in the off-road place? Oh wait, I need to go off-roading. Wait a sec. I need to go off-roading. Hey yo, what? I do not want a VIP pass. 3 VIP cars. Ooh, I don't care. Anyways, this bad boy is my off-roader, I must say. I don't know where the mountain was. Anyways. Oh wait, I just saw a blueprint. Blueprint. I just saw a blueprint. Wait, that's one, right? Wait. Oh my god, drifting, my skills are insane. Sheesh. Ooh, blueprint. I'm here. Ah. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Ah. I'm going insane right now. Oh, no, van, calm down, van. Ow. Blueprint found. Anyways, let's climb this stage. Oh my god. There it is. Time to go. I can't get up. And I crashed the sign. But I don't care. Okay, fine. I actually really want to go up here. Ah. So let's go here. I'm at the top of the world. Not really. But you know, oh my god! Oh my god! God, jeez. Oh my god! Oh my god! No blueprints. I mean, the drove-in distance is not really a problem because I drive all around every time. Oh, hello? Have you seen like the... Hey, yo, stop. Oh my god, how dare you? There's one I saw. I see one. Up in the mountains, Oh yeah, it's the Tesla one! No! I just want this Tesla one. Alright, let's go. I am brave. Oh, finally. 50% way there. Whee! Oh no. Stop landing. Totally is not landing. I just need to. Oh my god. Anyways, I'll just. Oh my god. Chill. Maybe there's a. Ow. Nope, there isn't. Let's get out of here. Boom. Anyway, guys, this was a great time here. And we'll end this video over here. Bye-bye, everyone. Have a great day.